Now let's talk about quotient rule, right? So in the previous slide, we talked about product rule, right? And which is f times g form. Now it is f over g form, which is quotient form, okay? So look at that. It is f prime times g minus f times g prime over your denominator function square. Is okay? As I did before, I would like to use like u and u over v form instead of f and g, okay? So let me rewrite on the side, okay? Here we go. So if your function is u over v prime, then that is equal to first function prime times second function and minus. It is different with the product rule, okay? In the product rule, it was plus, but now it is minus, right? U times v prime over v squared, okay? So wait a minute. Like, do you remember I said like I'm using different order with the textbook, okay? Let me show you why, okay? So let me write product rule above this, okay? Which is u times b prime is equal to, what was that? U prime times b plus u v prime. Just try to compare this to, okay? Product rule and quotient rule, right? Look at that, numerator. That's exactly the same order, u prime v and u v prime. But the product rule is combined by plus and quotient is minus, okay? And this is the reason why I would like to use this order. Does it make sense? Okay, now, let me give you one example, okay? Let me try to use this, okay? Look at that, this function f. 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared, which is exactly quotient form, okay? So, like as I did before, let me give like different name of this one. Like let's say the numerator function is u, okay? And with different color, denominator function is b. Is it okay? Just name it, okay? Then let's do the like 4-piece puzzle, okay? So f prime of x is equal to, for the practice, let me write quotient rule again, okay? U prime times v minus, because it is quotient rule, okay? U v prime over v squared. That's it. Now, are you ready? So let's do it. So before complete this puzzle, we have to find four pieces, right? Here we go. So let me write on the side, okay? My u is 1 minus x squared. That it's really easy to find u prime, right? It is 1 prime equals 0, and minus x squared prime is minus 2x to the 1, right? And then what about my next piece? V, it is 1 plus x squared. Then v prime is equal to 1 prime equals 0, same thing, and x squared prime is 2x. Now we are ready. We have like all 4 pieces. Now it is time to do the puzzle. Here we go. So it is equal to, we need big fraction, right? And the first piece, u prime, there we go, minus 2x times v, which is 1 plus x squared. And we are talking about quotient rule, so it is minus, right? And then u, the original one, right? 1 minus x squared times v prime, which is 2x, almost there. And then denominator, function b squared, 1 plus x squared squared. That's it. This is the quotient rule.